Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Investor Tip Tuesday. The tip today is study and master a book called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book was written over 100 years ago, I believe, and it's still just as important today as it was back then. And the reason is it teaches principles of wealth, not rules of wealth. See, rules have exceptions, principles do not. These techniques for developing your mind, developing your attitude, developing your mindset are invaluable if you're going to be a successful real estate investor. Napoleon Hill was given a task by Andrew Carnegie to meet Ford, to meet Edison, to meet all of the millionaires and billionaires that Andrew Carnegie hung out with, to see how they achieved their success. He was then to write a book about it, Think and Grow Rich, and I'm grateful that he did. This book will change your life. We actually teach it to our children. It's a phenomenal book that anybody can understand and use to change their life. So Investor Tip Tuesday today, read Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Thank you.